Jay, make your moves. Jay making movies.
Rock money now.
Jay to go, action. Michael Jackson Thriller, pull up in the ghost. Hop up out that bit, all black folks. Couple racks on me, ballin' in the post. Bank rollin' the soul, premise told. Mess with me now, channel on go. Barely flexin' on them, haters do the most. Million on the way, about to raise the toast. Got a new name, call him Jay to go. Outrank on my clothes, let's swap on my foes. So first I'm killing myself, gotta install them suicide goals.
YouTube fam, what's good? We are back. Yes, man, we are back as promised, man. I told you guys I gotta hit y'all with the detailed review and on feed of the Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. Yes, man, bringing the snoring sounds because these are officially sleepers, man. This shoe did release recently, June 14th to be exact, was the release date on these, and they retail, man. I think it was partially part of the reason why it is still widely available because of that retail tag of $215, y'all. So this shoe can easily be found at a local retail store near you, but I don't know for how long, y'all. This shoe is kind of reminding me of the women's Jordan 4's metallic golds that recently released, which is now starting to dry up, y'all. When the metallic 4 Jordans released, y'all, they kind of sat around for a while, and I think people kind of caught on to it and realized how good of a shoe it was, and we're starting to see that shoe kind of, you know, trickle away, and I feel like we'll see the same result with these throughout the upcoming months. The Jordan 4 Oxidized Green will definitely trickle away. I don't know if we'll be seeing any sale tags on them, but hey, I don't put nothing past it because we've seen a lot of shocking things over here on this side of the sneaker community. But outside of all that, before we dive into the review, y'all, I would love for y'all to do something for your boy Jay, man. If you haven't already, man, I need y'all to stick around and join the family officially by hitting the subscribe button down below, man. Hit that subscribe button, be a member of the fam, and by doing so, hitting the subscribe button, that is, I need you guys to go ahead and do a quick thing. Leave a comment letting me know that you are new so I can welcome you into the family the right way, man. You know what I'm saying? Because hey, I want to chop it up with y'all, man. If y'all become a member, I need to chop it up with y'all. But yes, sir, appreciate all the love and support, man. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay, man. I'm trying to keep these on feeds going, man. So if you guys like the on feed videos, go ahead, comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and let me know, you know, your favorite part of the vid, etc., etc. But outside of that, man, this video is sponsored by my family over at Outrank Brand. They are the ones who did send your boy over the fly tee that goes spot on with the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. So as you can see, man, it goes spot on, and this is not, of course, the only tee that you can rock with this shoe. You can rock it with any shoe, and they do have pretty much a t-shirt that goes with any shoe in your collection, man. Outrank Brand does have a lot of t-shirts over on their site. Not only tees, they have accessories, hats, bottoms, you name it. They have everything to get you looking fly over there, man. So tap into Outrank Brand. I do have a promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. Use that at checkout. It will save you a couple bucks, and trust me, you'll be fly in your own lane because the tees that they do make are limited. So they are online exclusives, and once they sell out, they will not return back. So you can be one of those special ones and stand outside of the crowd by wearing something that everyone else won't have on by choosing Outrank Brand, man. So definitely tap in if you have any shoes or anything you're trying to match. I'm sure they have a outfit or something that you might like to go with it, man. So tap in, you know what I'm saying? Link down below in the description. Jay the Sneaker Guy is the promo code. Get fly with them. But yes, man, the Jordan 4 Oxidized Greens, like I said, man, this is one of those shoes that I feel like will trickle away soon because it is a nice shoe, man. Take a look at it. Like the one thing that stands out outside of just the cleanness of it, you know what I'm saying, is the shape, y'all. I love the shape, how they changed it. You know, we got that new SB4 shape that we all have, you know, grown accustomed to, and that we all are, you know, liking nowadays. But yeah, man, just a nice shoe, man. So let's go ahead and dive right into the review, and then, you know, we'll end it off with the on feet, and then y'all know we gonna swap them out. Y'all know we gonna swap them out, man. Let's get to this review, y'all. So taking a look at the box that it comes in, y'all, man, this box is premium. This box is nice. So it does come in all over like a forest green or a deep green colorway, and it does have the shimmer, y'all. It does have like a glitter shimmer all throughout the lid of the box. It does have that shine to it, very dope. And then you do have, of course, the matte white type of Jumpman with the flight written beneath it. Very, very nice, elegant looking style box. When you take a look at the size tag, it does say Air Jordan 4 Retro. Color blocking is white, oxidized green, white. I do recommend y'all that you do go true to size on them, and I think they fit pretty good, y'all. Ever since we have gotten this new shape of Jordan 4s as far as the SB shape, y'all, the Jordan 4s have been fitting a lot better than usual, you know what I'm saying, like previous Jordan 4s, man. So I would say stick with your regular Jordan 4 size on this one, or whatever you have gotten on a most recent Jordan 4. If you picked up military blues, if you picked up Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines, stick with that same size. You will be all right with these, y'all. But moving to the inside of the box, when you pop off the box lid, or pop it open, should I say, you will have the all over green interior inside the box. You will see you do have the cemented paper on the inside. And is there any white and green stickers in here? Nah, it is pretty plain, y'all, but there is a sheet of white paper in there alongside, of course, the cement paper. And outside of that, y'all, that is it for the box contents of the Jordan 4 Oxidized Greens. So with the box out the way, I know y'all ready to talk about the kicks. So let's get into the review. Taking a look at the bottom, the outsole, as you can see, man, I like it. I like it. Pretty clean, pretty simplistic. We do got some hits of gray. We got the white center, and of course we got the green hits, you know what I'm saying, going out through the mid and the top of the shoe. White Jumpman right there towards the bottom, and that is pretty much it for the outsole of the shoe. When we move up to the uppers, y'all, take a look at it, man. Take a look at it. Clean, clean, clean. All over white base, as you can see. White on the bottom. Then towards the back, we do got the nice hit of sail. This is just a random touch of niceness, in my opinion, man. I do like the sail hit on the back around the air bubble system. Of course, you got more sail on the interior side because of the way the color blocking is set up, but I like the little splash of sail on the back half, man. Comment down below if you're a fan of it. But moving on, y'all, move up to the uppers. We do got that green, man, that nice shimmer, nice candy coated painted type, you know, like I love the green and the way that they made it pop out. Like I said previously in my first look video, this gives me the vibes of the Jordan 4 metallic pack, y'all. Of course, we had the orange, the red, the blue, and I don't know, the purple. We had purple. So this reminds me of a shoe of that, you know what I'm saying, caliber. And if you look at those shoes right now, I'm not saying anything about these, but those shoes are like, they up, like they had to reach up like $400 or $500 up, you know. And these are just very similar. It's giving me those vibes, man. So I wouldn't be surprised if these, you know, following the steps of those. But outside of that, man, like I said, man, we do got the nice green with the shimmer effect going all throughout the little mid area. Got a little splash in the front, goes all throughout the shoe right there. Nice, nice, nice. When you move up above that, y'all, we do get the all white upper, man. And take a look at the leather, man. The leather on this shoe is grade A, man. It is a nice tumbled leather, and it isn't that synthetic look, you know, like where we get that look where it's tumbled but it feels hard or stiff. This is actually soft, man. It feels like a premium leather, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely love how, you know, the leather feels and how it looks on this shoe. It's a premium shoe in my opinion, but you do have that same type of leather going all throughout most of the shoe. And of course you do got your areas where it is a smooth leather, you know what I'm saying. But I love how the leather came out on this shoe. Moving up above that, the caging is fire. We got the white cage with the green background, man. I just think that it's a very clean look. So, you know, the whole inside area, of course, underneath the tongue and stuff, is all over that green. And of course you got the white caging. You got the green metallic hits right there on the waffle cone holders. These come with the white laces and white laces only, man. No extra laces are included with these. The tongue, you got the green Jumpman with the flight written beneath it, kind of blending in with the tongue, but you do got the flight written underneath it, and like a soft blue, very, very soft blue color on the flight on this one. And when you take a look at the back of the shoe, we got the green, of course, the plastic shine green on a Jumpman. And of course we got the plain white base. just clean, man. Just a nice little clean looking shoe, and that's pretty much it for the outside of the shoe. Not too much to go over because it's a white shoe, you know what I'm saying? But very clean, man, nonetheless. You know, interior of the shoe, we got the all over forest or deep hunter green, however you want to, you know, call it. And it is like a nice little satin hit to it, you know. It's a nice satin silk hit, so it's gonna be very comfortable, you know, when you rocking these, you know, because of that material. But inside the shoe, we got shoe paper, no shoe tree. Insole is all over green, y'all, all over green with the white Jumpman. It does have a size sticker in there, and on the back of the tongue, we do got our, you know, our Air Jordan 4 signature, where it has it right there written on the back. And these were manufactured, y'all, from October through January of this year, man. So the Jordan 4 oxidized greens, y'all, I think that these are a go. These are definitely a go, man. It was a shoe that I definitely had to cop after seeing them in hand. I was so about them, but when I seen them in hand, I was like, bro, this shoe has so much potential, man. It's a dope shoe. So whether they sit, whether they sell out, I don't care about either one of those. I just like the shoe in general. So scale from 1 to 10, man, I gotta give these a solid 8.5, man, almost a 9, y'all. This is a solid 8.5 shoe, in my opinion. You can put together quite a few different fits with it and be clean, bro. It's just a clean shoe. So that's the rating that I gotta give it, and definitely feeling them. Y'all comment down below, are y'all a fan of them? Do you guys think that these will make it to the sale racks? You know, it's very possible, you know what I'm saying? And would you cop? You know, are you waiting for the sale, or are you just, you know, not a fan of them? Y'all comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the Jordan 4 oxidized greens. But outside of that, I don't know, do I see more oxidized colorways releasing? Yes, I do. They're not gonna be calling them metallics no more, I guess. They're just gonna be oxidized, what else color? Oxidized pink, oxidized whatever. And I think what gives it the oxidized name is, of course, the off color sail on the back, because that's the only thing that kind of separates this from a metallic shoe, in my opinion. But that is it, man. Let's throw them on feet. Appreciate y'all as always. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay. We got more movies on the way, man. Y'all keep thumbs it up, and I'm gonna keep hitting y'all with these movies. But that's it. Jordan 4 oxidized greens. Y'all see the shape. I talked to y'all about the shoe. Y'all know what we about to do, man. Let's throw them on feet, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. Peace.
Let's swap on my let's swap on my foes. 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 Let's swap on my column. Jay the GOAT. Jay the GOAT. Check out the Jay the GOAT. Check out the Jay the GOAT. Check out the Jay the GOAT.